Extraordinary 48-hour diet that removes toxins and melts fat with super speed. We all know that it's really difficult to lose weight because we all enjoy eating good food, right? There are two extremely important things which you need to know about losing weight. First, you need to stay away from junk food, and the second, you can't lose weight overnight. It's a long-term process and you should never give up. You need to fight for it and get the desired results. Fortunately, there is a diet plan that can help you and speed up the weight loss process. This method will help you lose 3 to 4 kilograms in just one day, and it's very useful for last-minute events and you want to wear your favorite dress or your favorite tuxedo. It's highly recommended for all of you to start this diet plan on the weekend when you are relaxed. This homemade weight loss drink is extremely powerful because it's loaded with the lycopene antioxidant. The vegetables and the grains will boost the cleaning process. Ingredients: 300 ml water, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon chili pepper, 1 teaspoon ginger. Directions. Here's what you need to do: put all the ingredients into a blender and blend until you get nice and homogeneous mixture. How to use it? Well, you should drink this weight loss drink every night before you go to sleep. Metabolism activating juice. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tomatoes, 4 cloves garlic, 500 ml water, 6 ice cubes. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just put all the ingredients into a blender or high-speed juicer and mix them well. How to use it? You should drink this metabolism activating juice in the morning on empty stomach before breakfast. Note: you should also know that while you are on this diet plan, you should drink plenty of green tea without sugar and eat raw vegetables and grains. You will be amazed by the results. Just after 2 to 3 days you will lose up to 4 kilograms. Thanks for watching, and share this video with your friends and family.
Take the 3 Juice Colon Cleanse and flush pounds of toxins from your body. Unfortunately, many people around the world suffer from chronic constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, leaky gut and other issues with the digestive system. We all know that the colon has an important job of eliminating waste, which means that it's extremely important for everyone to keep it running smoothly. And you shouldn't be worried, because there are things you can do to help alleviate discomfort associated with toxins and digestion issues in the body, such as a homemade colon cleanse. Yes, and the medical experts also say that a colon cleanse is extremely important, and the best thing about this colon cleanser is that you don't need to see a doctor about it. Yes, you can make your own colon cleanser right at home. As we mentioned before, this powerful and extremely effective homemade colon cleanser can help you flush out some of the toxins in your body that could be contributing to your discomfort, and also offer natural relief from constipation. Just plan a day when you do not need to leave home so that you are able to adjust to the colon cleansing changes in your body and the elimination of waste as you begin the detox and internal cleansing process. You should drink this powerful colon cleanser first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Then have this mixture again just before a light lunch, preferably of steamed vegetables and baked salmon, and again mid-afternoon. Note: drink 6 to 8 glasses of room temperature water throughout the day. It may be best to slow down the consumption of liquids after 5 p.m. so that you are not awakened in the night with having to go to the bathroom. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 100 Cuban pesos % pure organic apple juice, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ginger juice, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 cup warm purified water. Directions. Here's what you need to do. You will need a tall glass and a spoon. To start, place 3.5 ounces of purified water in a pan. You want to warm the water, not boil it, so that you can drink the water at a safe temperature. After that, once it is warm, you need to pour it into your glass. And now you need to add the sea salt, often part of a salt water flush, and stir. The sea salt will help release toxins, pushing waste through the body and ultimately improving digestion. Now add the apple juice, ginger juice and fresh lemon juice and stir well. The nutrition-rich apple brings good health, and a healthy colon definitely needs good health. Did you know that a recent study has discovered that those who ate an apple a day had less visits to the doctor and fewer prescription medications? And when it comes to ginger, it's great because it reduces bloating while stimulating the colon, keeping it free from wastes and harmful toxins. And let's say a few words about the amazing and powerful lemon. Here's what you need to know. The lemon juice aids in digestion, detoxification, and is high in vitamin C, making it a great antioxidant. It's why it plays such a key role in my secret detox drink. Don't forget, it is always good to check with your doctor if you are pregnant, have a disease, suffer from allergies, or are taking any prescriptions medications prior to any new activity. And be very careful and don't drink this juice if you are diabetic due to the high natural sugar content in apple juice. The experts say that you should do this treatment for 1 day or maximum a week.